In high-rise environments, seconds matter and clarity saves lives. The PotterNet Floor Overview window provides firefighters with instant floor-by-floor visibility of smoke, heat, and power conditions, all through a single 24-inch touchscreen display. Traditionally, this kind of visibility required a maze of wiring, external LED boards, complex programming, and months of coordination. But with PotterNet-FOW, all of that is replaced by one Ethernet connection and auto-generated graphics, dramatically cutting installation time and complexity. Each floor in the display shows clear indicators for elevator lobby temperature and presence of smoke, giving emergency personnel the information they need the moment they arrive on scene. It also supervises power conditions and controls hoistway lighting, all in real time. For contractors, the advantage is huge. Setup is quick using Potter's Fire Panel Programmer and onboard tools, and the system connects directly to IPA, AFC, or ARC panels through our familiar PotterNet platform. Changes that used to take weeks of CAD drawings and rewiring can now be done in seconds through software. The result? A clean, modern installation that eliminates hundreds of connection points, reduces field labor, and delivers a better experience for the building owner and the authority having jurisdiction. Additionally, PotterNet-FOW meets IBC 2021 requirements for elevator lobby smoke and temperature monitoring, helping ensure compliance in today's high-rise construction. So whether you're designing a new high-rise or retrofitting an existing facility, PotterNet-FOW gives you a smarter, faster, and more professional solution for code-aligned visibility. For more information and for complete technical documentation, reach out or visit pottersignal.com.